A growing client base and a growing team simply aren't enough to grow your agency. It's one of the hardest truths I've learned. I see it all the time. Agencies are focused on growing revenue and they can do that really well. They're hiring team members, but their financial systems and their financial foundations are not scaling with the business. And that's when things start to break down. You've probably felt the signs. Cash flow starts to get tight. Profit margins are low and you're working really hard, but you're not able to pay yourself what you deserve. And you start asking questions like, can I actually afford to hire that next person? The big decisions you need to make in the agency become guesswork rather than something that's data-driven. And that opens you up to risk, which can have a snowballing effect on the future success of your business. Suddenly, growth feels more like a burden to you than an achievement. My name's Rayhan, I'm a chartered accountant, and over the last 5 years, I've been helping agencies like yours scale through effective financial management. And I can tell you it doesn't have to be this way. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a financial system that will grow with your agency and help you to avoid the common pitfalls that hold agencies back from achieving their true potential. So here's what fascinates me about agency finances. The same patterns play out for every single agency. The founder starts investing in all the latest tools like Xero, Dext, Fathom, Forecast, Float, but they don't know how to use them or maintain them. So they're paying for the subscription. They're telling themselves that they've taken action towards getting insightful financial data, and then they do nothing. This false sense of security is so dangerous. Alongside those tools, they have an accountant that they speak to once a year, and they treat finances like an annual task. The reality is your tax return is the least important thing you need to do when it comes to accounting and tax. When you treat your finances like an annual event, it's like only checking the scoreboard at the end of the game. But throughout the game, things are changing and strategy should also change to achieve that winning score. Your financial story is being written every single day. It's actually painful for me to watch because I know firsthand how you can turn your finances and your accounting data into a powerhouse for growth. Next, let's look at what successful agencies actually do when it comes to finances. And this isn't anything revolutionary, it's just about how you're smarter with what you've already got. Think about how you plan in the agency. Your numbers should be guiding your decisions, and those decisions should be leading to results, which results in growth. When you're considering a new hire or you're pricing up new projects, you need to understand how that fits into your wider goal. And this leads to the next step, which is having complete financial clarity over how the business is performing at all times. You don't want to spend your days stuck in a spreadsheet that's a pain to update, that's not accurate, and that you don't have complete confidence in. Instead, you want a systemized finance function that uses the tools that you're probably already paying for, but maintains them to give you accurate real-time output so you can stop looking in your spreadsheets. Just get clear insight whenever you need it. That helps you make decisions quickly when opportunities land on your desk. So we've covered forward planning and we've covered how you get a good grip on how you're performing day to day. The next step is how do you build the system that scales and flexes with the agency? This is super important because hitting a growth ceiling can be so frustrating, and sometimes you just don't understand why or what is blocking you. Now, the foundations for your financial systems are the same whether you make £100,000 a year or you make £3 million a year. You need good bookkeeping, you need the right systems in place, and you need the right people in place to keep those systems maintained and to talk to you and provide you with output in terms of real useful data. Once this foundation's in place, things just click. You're able to build on that system as you grow, to give other people in the business visibility, to help you make better, longer-term strategic decisions, and to help you pay less tax. Now, you might be thinking this is great, but how do I actually put this in place? It starts with making small strategic shifts in how you use the existing data you have. Everyone has a bank statement, but looking at it in your mobile banking app isn't giving you the full story. A starting point is to have a core accounting system in place, and we use Xero for all of our clients. It's great to give you insight and to help you keep on top of the numbers. Once you've got the basics in place, you can then understand what the priority is within the business. Is it forward planning? Is it cash flow management? Or maybe it's just getting paid quicker by your clients. Get one piece working well and then build the next piece. Focus on progress and not perfection. These daily decisions and a focus on finances and numbers will have a compounding effect on your business's growth. Changing how you think about agency finances isn't just about mindset. It's something that will touch your bottom line and ultimately your bank balance. If you're an agency owner that wants to get more control of your finances, I've got another video for you that will show you how you can plan to make this year your most profitable year yet. And also it will give you a free resource you can download and plug in your numbers to help you get towards that scalable financial foundation. You can find the video linked here on screen. And finally, if this video helped you shift your perspective around financial management in your agency, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more agency finance tips.